Good morning, friends. I am Rajinder Jatana. Today I am coming up with differentiation using trigonometric substitution. Learn with fun. You see, these substitutions will make your things very, very easy for you. These will be mostly used in inverse trigonometrical functions. By substitution, you will reduce the function in a very short shape, and finding its derivative will become very, very easy. So I'll be coming up with my notes, and I have prepared 4 examples for you for tackling these substitutions. Thank you very much for viewing my videos. Hello friends, I'm here with differentiation by using trigonometrical substitutions. Why substitutions? The following are substitutions useful in finding derivatives because they'll make the things very easy for us. Now, how to use substitutions? If the function is in the shape of a square plus x square, then substitute x is equal to a tan theta or a cot theta. Things will become very easy for you. A square minus x square, if it is there in the question, then substitute x is equal to a sin theta or a cos theta. If it is of the shape x square minus a square, then substitute x is equal to a secant theta or a cosecant theta. When the functions are of this shape, within the square root, a minus x over a plus x, or vice versa, or that is a plus x in the numerator and a minus x in the denominator within the square root, then what should we substitute? Then put x is equal to a cos 2 theta. If the functions are of the shape a square minus x square over a square plus x square, or otherwise a square plus x square over a square minus x square within the square root, then you put x square, because there are x squares here, as a square cos 2 theta. So these substitutions will make the things very easy for you. I am coming up with my notes by giving you some examples. So you will find that here are 4 examples. Example number 1, example number 2, example number 3, example number 4. We'll be going at one by one. So first is differentiate sine inverse within the bracket 2x under root 1 minus x square. Look here, 1 minus x square. I told you to substitute x is equal to sine theta. Then theta will become sine inverse x. Now substitute. Let us substitute here 2, x की जगह sin theta लगा दीजिए, x की जगह पे sin theta लगा दीजिए. It becomes 2 sin theta. 1 minus sin square is cos square. When it will come out of the square root, it will become cos theta. So sine inverse 2 sin theta cos theta is sin 2 theta, as you know. So sine inverse will cancel up. The sine will be having 2 theta, and value of theta you know is sine inverse x. Now look here, the shape has become very, very easy. Now it is very easy to differentiate. Only you have to know the formula for derivative of sine inverse x, which is 1 over under root 1 minus x square. So answer will be 2 into 1 over under root 1 minus x square. Now let us go to example number 2. Sine inverse 3x minus 4x cube. Now this you know, this is sine 3 theta formula. So formula is put x is equal to sine theta. So it will become 3 sine theta minus 4 sine cube theta, which is sine 3 theta. Sine inverse will cancel up sine, we will be left with 3 theta, and theta, as you know, is sine inverse x. So the question has become very, very easy for us to differentiate. So now differentiate, take ddx of both sides, and you will get ddx of 3 sine inverse x as 3 into 1 over 1 minus x square. Simply इस फार्मूला बन गया है, very पप्पू क्वेश्चन बन गया है. Now let us go to example number 3. Now question is this: we have to differentiate cos inverse within the bracket 2x square minus 1. अब आपको ये देखना है cos में कोई फार्मूला है जो इस शेप का होता है. Yes, it is cos 2 theta. So put x is equal to cos theta, and theta will become cos inverse x, and this will reduce to, after substitution, this will reduce to cos 2 theta. So cos inverse of cos 2 theta will be 2 theta, and theta, as you know, is cos inverse. So it will be 2 cos inverse. So derivative will become very, very easy. It is simply a formula. So dy by dx, it should be x here only. So ddx of this, it will become 2 cos inverse x. So 2 will be outside, cos inverse x का derivative minus 1 over under root 1 minus x square. So this is the answer. Now let us go to the last one. This is differentiate tan inverse 2x over 1 minus x square. अब आप देखिए tan में कोई ऐसा फॉर्मूला होता है? Yes. देखिए 2 लिखा हुआ है, 2 थीटा का होता है. So tan 2 theta. So ultimately on substitution put x is equal to tan theta. It will reduce to tan inverse into tan 2 theta, that is 2 theta. So theta will be, and theta is tan inverse x. So 2 tan inverse x, derivative is 2 into 1 over under root 1 over 1 plus x square. This is the answer. What you have observed that these substitutions are very, very easy, and the things become very easy for you. If you don't do substitution, then I'm sorry to say the questions will be a bit harder for you. And now I have made them easy by using these substitutions. Thank you very much. God bless you. Go on viewing my videos. If you like it, please do subscribe it. Thank you very much. God bless you.